Hey guys, today I wanted to introduce to you Perfection Collection. This is my new collection of minis of some of my favorite products that I've put together so that you can try mini versions of 4 of the products all together. So on the box, there's a really cool description at the back about what the 4 products are and how to use them and what they do for you. So these are the 4 products, these little mini versions of my big bottles. So what I have in here is Clarity, the Calming Cleanser, which is my face wash, which is lovely, removes all makeup and impurities. You should use it morning and evening. And then I have Radiance, which is my vitamin C. It's a 10% vitamin C in a really lovely, stable form. As soon as you put it on, you will see that you get a beautiful glow to your skin, and long-term with use, it will help your skin to glow, it will even out your skin tone, it will tighten your skin, and it will brighten your skin. So with all these products, your skin is better every time you use them. The more you use them, the better you look. So that's the beauty of them. But you also look great as soon as you put them on. So you rinse with Clarity. The first thing is to put on the vitamin C serum. Then your daily moisturizer, which is Defense. It's an SPF 50, which is really important. With Asian skin tones, we're prone to hyperpigmentation, to like dark patches on our skin. So we want to wear really good SPF 50 every day to make sure that we don't get that pigmentation. But even for very, very fair skins, they're prone to sun damage. So from the full spectrum, from very white skin to very dark skin, it's important to have a really good SPF on during the day. So Defense, your daily moisturizer, is an SPF 50, and it also contains AHAs and loads of goodies to keep making your skin better and better every day. Also, it's not white like a traditional sunscreen, it's tinted, and it's also got a glow to it. So as soon as you put it on, you look better, and it's also protecting your skin every day. So that's your morning routine. So 3 of those bottles are in there. And then in the evening, you wash with the cleanser, and then I've got my brand new product, Restore, which is my Replenishing Moisturizer. It's got a lot of the same ingredients in it as Hydrate. I know how much you guys love my lip oil, Hydrate. It keeps selling out. And so those same ingredients, the kupuasu butter from the Amazonian rainforest, and also tara seed, which are really great hydrators. So with Restore, this is the big version. We've got the little mini version in the minis kit. With Restore, it can be used on your face, on your neck, it can be used on your body. It's a really luxurious, silky moisturizer that's very light and feels just great on your skin. So those are my four products that are in my Perfection collection. It's really a perfect routine to create perfect skin, and it's a perfect little size. So it's a great size just to try the products out. It's also a really great size for once we can travel again, to take traveling with you. It's a really great Christmas present to give someone who is not going to love the gift of perfect skin. And it's also a great product to have in your gym bag for when you go to the gym. So that's my Perfection collection. Check it out on the website, which is www.drmr.co.uk. I know that you're going to love it. So yeah, do message me once you've got yours and let me know how you're getting on. And also message me if you have any questions about any of the products or about what might be right for you.